All right, today we'll be designing the real aspect of the flipping cards. On our last video, we dropped a trick on how to have a flipping card, and the process we took. And if you have not watched that, yeah, I would advise you go through our channel and see uh, the video we dropped last. So it's going to guide us through this. Though this is a bit tricky, but it's cool. Where we just need to watch this over and over again. And today we are just going to be educating ourselves on different type of hackers that we have. And I just want to seize this opportunity to tell us that not all hackers are bad. Not all hackers are bad. Hence why we have ethical hacking as a course. Okay. So as usual, what you need to do is to come in with your rounded rectangle, give it a background of your choice. This I choose the lock background. Make a duplicate of it and import a picture or an icon of your choice. And once you do that for one, then duplicate and replicate to the numbers you have. And again, I will advise you watch the last video so that this will be so easy for you. The essence of making this is just to let you understand that if you are going to have multiple cards, that there are steps to doing it, unlike the sample we showcased the last time. All right. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, this is the right time for you to just click on the subscribe button right now. And I mean right now, so that you can be enjoying. You can imagine me referencing the last video we have, so that you can be enjoying and understand this as time goes by. Just also turn on the notification button and do well to like us, share our videos, let everybody partake in this, let them also enjoy what you are enjoying. So after which you duplicate your slide. Remember, the very first card you need to flip is the first one, and that is what you are going to attend to first, as you've seen it here. After you are done with that, the next you do is to duplicate the slide and move on to the next card. So this time around, as like I told you, unlike the previous one, just one card, we worked with one card, and that was all we needed to. So we are bringing that idea now into having multiple cards to be flipped, so that our audience will see what the secrets we are hiding behind our cards. So you do that for all the cards you want. So for this, what I selected the slides and I inserted transition, wonderful transition, morph transition. So after which I decided to format the background. I decided to format the background, but before the background, I came with a text to show what we are doing. So this is this text shows type of hacker, that's what you have. And for each of the cards too, they have their own text. The first one is the black hacker, the second is the gray hacker, and the third is the white hacker. After which all my text, I selected them one after the other, and I added an animation of wipe. Then I change the orientation from top to bottom, up, top to down. And after which, just like I said, I change the background for all. So, and you will see what we have. This is the end result. As you can see, this is lovely, and this is lovely. This is amazing. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in the next video. Bye bye.